name is Patrick Meyer. I'm the Global Heavy Equipment Development Manager for UTC Overseas. Currently, we're here in the Port of Charleston. Behind us is the NYK Ro-Ro vessel Leo Leader. We're here unloading 81 Sennebogen material handling units. This is a massive project for UTC and Sennebogen, where it's one of the first times ever that a freight forwarder and a OEM is chartering out an entire Ro-Ro vessel. The main deck is completely UTC and Sennebogen cargo.
My name is Constantino Lanes. I'm the President and CEO of Sennebogen North America. Chartering the main deck of this vessel is another step ahead on what Sennebogen does to support our customers in North America. Was a tremendous task together with UTC to get all this space and to make sure that we can deliver machines to our customers when they expect them. We have been working with UTC for 18 years. It has been a tremendous cooperation. UTC takes care of the transportation of all our machines from Europe to the United States.
The relationship that Sennebogen and UTC has is what's been able to create this awesome opportunity that we have to have this charter. It takes a long, trusted relationship to pull off something of this magnitude.